This is Honda Fit Shuttle 2018 model, comes with 1500cc petrol engine, ambayo ukiangalia muundo wake ni kama Toyota Fielder. So watu wanaipenda sana, maana ukilalisha kiti ya nyuma, then it has enough space ambayo unaweza fanya biashara nayo ama umbebe mizigo. Okay, so it comes with LED headlights, fog lights down there, all round parking sensors, na pia inakuja na original alloy limbs from Honda. Okay, pia inakuja na eyesight for blind spot monitoring, lane assist. Now this one has very unique interior kwa sababu inakuja na leather seats, half leather seats, brown in color. Then we have wooden finish here. The gear shifter is there, the radio is there, cup holders here, armrest. Okay, and then comes with the multifunctional steering wheel, push to start button, very good legroom and headroom. And as we said, you can create more space ukilalisha hii kiti, then you will have a lot of space here ya kubebea vitu zako. Okay, so we are selling this car for 1.7, 50% deposit, then the balance you can pay within 24 to 30 months. Thank you.